Hi, today in front of me Doogee T20 and I'll show you how to find and manage sound settings on this device. So first open the settings application and then scroll down to the sound section. You'll see here media, coloring, and notification and alarm volume panels. Just to change the volumes you should slide to the left or to the right side these dots on each of the volume panels. Also get here the don't disturb mode. You can turn it on or turn it off to change the tablet ringtone for scene 1 or scene 2. In media section we could be in media player and to show the media recommendations. Let's go back. Vibration for call section, you could change here the settings to never to vibrate, always first then ring gradually. To activate and turn off the shortcut to prevent ringing, to switch default notification and alarm sounds, and to activate and turn off the dial button, screen lock and lock sounds, charging sounds, and touch vibration. So just to turn on and turn off all of these options, we should click on these swatchers. So that's it, that's all of the sound settings on our Doogee T20 tablet. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.